Hi, this is Grace. Today we're going to make pot stickers or fried dumplings. Homemade wrappers and fillings can be found in my previous videos. First, assemble the dumplings. There are numerous ways to wrap the dumplings. Just make sure it won't fall apart. Fold the edges like this can help the dumplings stand upright. If you are having difficulties, you can always just pinch the edges together. If you are using store-bought wrappers, adding some water to the edge will help it stick. Now we can start cooking. Add some oil to a non-stick pan. Add the dumplings. Fry for a few minutes until the bottom is sizzling. I made 2 dozens, but you can cook any numbers of dumplings. In the meantime, we can prepare the starch water by mixing 1 tablespoon of starch with half a cup of water. Add starch water to the pan and cover. Cook for about 8 minutes or until all the water is evaporated. Make sure to check to prevent burning. The starch water is the secret to a crispy bottom of the pot sticker. Now you can dip in your favorite sauce and enjoy.